For many college assignments like research papers and projects, you may be asked to use and cite something called scholarly sources. We're going to talk a little bit about what that means. Sources can be put into a few categories based on who produces them, what the intended audience is, and what purpose they are intended to serve. Main categories include scholarly, popular, and trade sources. Scholarly sources are written by scholars or experts in a particular field. When we think about what makes someone an expert on a topic, criteria such as education or experience may come to mind. Usually, scholarly sources are produced by authors with high levels of education or credentials in their field. They are also written with other experts as the intended audience. Experts do research and make new discoveries in their areas, and then they share those discoveries with their peers through scholarly sources. This may mean that they are sometimes more densely written or harder to understand for an everyday reader, since it is assumed the audience has some background knowledge already. Common types of scholarly sources include academic journal articles, or research articles, and books. Journal articles are shorter, typically 10 to 30 pages, and often share new research or insights. Journal articles are especially valuable because they usually go through a process called peer review, where other experts anonymously read and critique the article to decide whether it should be published, with the goal of making sure content is accurate before it is shared with the public. Scholarly books do not go through the same process, but they are usually produced by an academic press and have credible editors. They may be monographs, long-form presentations of research by a single author, or edited collections of chapters from a variety of authors. In contrast to scholarly sources, popular sources are more geared toward an everyday audience. They do not require any special expertise or vocabulary to understand, and they may not be written by experts. A wide range of resources fall into the category of popular sources. Newspaper articles, YouTube videos, social media, blogs, general-purpose books, and magazines, among other items. Popular sources provide introductory information and context for understanding a topic or issue, but since they are not as high level, they may not be appropriate to use for all research projects. Finally, trade sources fall somewhere in between scholarly and popular sources. They are generally not peer-reviewed, but they are produced for specialized audiences, typically professionals in a field. Trade sources may include magazines, newsletters, or organization websites intended to help professionals stay on top of news or developments in their industries. They serve a practical role, not usually as research-focused. However, if you are writing about a particular field, it may be useful to know what is of current interest in that area.